AutoFry, a product of MTI, your source for ventless kitchen solutions. Meet the AutoFry MTI-10X PRO. Fry fresh, filter fast. What is the MTI-10X PRO? The AutoFry MTI-10X PRO is the next evolution in automated, ventless frying technology. Designed to deliver consistent results, simplify oil management, and make daily operation easier than ever, the MTI-10X PRO brings professional frying performance to virtually any food service environment. The biggest innovation in the MTI-10X PRO is its built-in oil filtration system. Just like the MTI-40E PRO, operators can manage filtration directly from the center control panel. With just a few taps, the system filters the oil safely, extending oil life and helping maintain food quality from the first batch to the last. As we like to say, fry fresh, filter fast. Whether your location is equipped for single-phase or three-phase power, there's an MTI-10X PRO model designed to fit your operation. This flexibility helps make installation easier while delivering the same ventless frying performance, automated cooking, and built-in oil filtration across the entire product family. Like our other models, the MTI-10X PRO features a modern touchscreen interface designed for ease of use. From recipe selection to filter life, operators can quickly access the tools they need through a simple, user-friendly control system. The AutoFry cooking process is simple. Load the product, select your programmed recipe, and let the machine do the work. The automated cooking cycle helps deliver consistent results while allowing staff to focus on other tasks. With ease, businesses can serve up delicious items like French fries, onion rings, and chicken wings to their hungry guests, all while creating a return on their investment. Regular oil maintenance is essential for producing great-tasting fried foods. The MTI-10X PRO makes daily filtration simple, helping operators maintain oil quality while reducing waste and operating costs. These are our 3 most important tips for good oil maintenance. Number 1. Filter your oil daily. Number 2. Monitor your oil quality regularly. Number 3. Create a consistent maintenance schedule for you and your staff. And then let the MTI-10X PRO do the hard work for you. Let's connect. Contact us now to learn more about the AutoFry MTI-10X PRO. Fry fresh, filter fast,